Hey everyone, I'm Jake and I am so excited because I got a special delivery from ShearComfort today. I did a previous review on their saddle blanket seat covers. I had those covers in my 2013 F-150 for years. It was the one and only seat cover I ever put in that truck.
It puts a smile on my face. I love these things.
They were great. I'll link a review to those at the end of this video. But we got a new truck now. It's a Ram 1500. And we're going to put in some new seat covers. So let's get into this and do an unboxing. So before they even come out of the box, I'm really excited about these. I love the color combination. It's going to fit my truck perfectly with the red and black. But with these ones, I decided I wanted to go for more of the premium level seat cover. The saddle blanket seat covers were great. They did a phenomenal job. They held up for years. But on these ones, I wanted to see what the premium exotic covers were all about. They're made in the USA. I can already tell that the pattern is great. So let's get these unwrapped and take a closer look. So here it looks like we have a section of the back seat covers, if I'm looking at this correctly. So these holes would be for the headrest. But really just looking at this, and there's a cutout for the fold down armrest. But these are the CROC skin covers, so it's black and red combination. And my dog's probably gonna make a cameo here. But first initial thoughts, exceptionally thick. So the durability should be something that withstands the test of time. They also have a nice amount of padding in them, and the texture and just the detail of the CROC skin look is really cool. So this is imitation leather. It's not actual CROC skin, which is great. I mean, let's get the look and the feel and the texture and the vibe without actually taking a crocodile out of the wild. So I think this is awesome, and I can't wait to get these installed. But let's take a look at everything inside the box so far. The straps, the buckles, everything is looking exactly right to me. And we have a full front and back set of seat covers for the new truck. These would be covers for the back of the front seat. The headrest holes are there, and it's got a pocket in the back. So that's great for storage. Again, quality, texture, look, really going to fit the truck well. That's the other front seat with a pocket in the back. And then these would be the headrests. So those will slip over. This would be the actual seat part that you sit on. And again, the passenger or second seat. We have a slip cover for the armrest, it looks like. Yes. I am really excited to get these installed. They're gonna look great, and they're going to save my factory seats. They're gonna look great. They're going to save my factory seats. That's the one thing that I wish that I did sooner on my last truck. I put those saddle blanket seat covers on. They kept the truck looking nice. They were durable. They didn't rip. They didn't tear. I had them on there for years. If I would have put them on that truck as soon as I got it, my factory seats would have been fine. So if you have a new vehicle, get these now. Get some type of a ShearComfort cover as soon as you can. And if you've had the car for a while and your seats are starting to look a little worn, or you want to save what you have, it's not too late. So check out ShearComfort. Look at their different lines of products. I'm really excited to get these installed.